nearly time for us to fly on Dizzy Airlines.
Now my cup is empty.
RTÉ.
Let's love sign. Empty. Empty. You sign. Empty. Good. Empty.
Here we are in security. Here we go in the airplane.
I'm so excited.
There.
Let's love sign. Excited. Excited. You sign. Excited. Good. Excited.
Aeroplane. Now we are ready to go on the airplane. But hang on. Where is the aeroplane?
Yes. Where is the aeroplane? I remember my third delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
I wonder what they use the dewdrops for.
Maybe they drink it? But there's not enough for everyone to have some.
Wait a minute. I think the water could be for washing. Just like I do with my dad when we go to the mosque. Like this.
Beata na chona, Georgia. Go hintach. Slongafo.
You were right, Amir. Maybe Beatana isn't all that different from our Fela back home. Huh?
Achoo! Only there's never any grass in the water at the mosque.
And finally, we need to pick more blahana.
I wonder what we do with them.
Well, I can think of one thing every good Fela needs. Why don't we use these flowers to make some presents for everyone?
Ooh, good idea. Wow, look at that amber.
Beltana is a summer festival, so we use this magic omra to welcome the warm summer sun.
Beautiful. Just like lanterns at our Eid festival.
Yes, or like fairy lights on our Christmas tree. Which reminds me, we brought you some presents.
Oh, wow. Wow, I've never seen Blana like this before. They're different. We usually collect Bealtaine flowers to bring good luck, but there's no reason we can't wear them too. Sinead, a bit of your Fela in our Fela when we celebrate La Yela.
Another job in the movies is making costumes, which someone has done for Maya.
Quiet on set!
And it seems like she's ended up in the movie after all.
Action!
So, you're leaving, Frank?
Yes. The sea calls to me, Estelle. But one day, I'll return. Will you wait for me?
No.
Cut! That was brilliant! Amazing, Maya Go. Amazing!
Amazing! Amazing, everybody!
Thank you so much.
Do we need to do it again?
You know what? I don't think we do. You got it first time.
Okay, we've got it! Oh.
Can we do it again? Please?
I like your spirit, Maya Go. Okay.
Okay, let's do it again.
Maya loves making movies.
Will you wait for me?
No. No way! Not a chance! Get out of town!
And that's a wrap. Maya Go, thank you so much for being our emergency actor today.
You say no better than anyone I've ever heard say it.
No.
Yes!
Well, we better be going, Maya.
But what about lunch?
Did you say lunch? Will there be tiny sandwiches?
All you can eat.
Prepare the tiny sandwiches.
Ooh, I'd love a roll.
Priceless.
Great doing business with you. Bye.
Ow! They're rock hard. Oh, what have I done?
Looks like Mayor Garth is annoyed with his choice of cookies.
I understand, Mayor Garth. It's easy to be tempted by something that you really like when it's put in front of you.
But now I've got nothing to give to Uli Gilhooly. Oh, what will I do? Oh, come on!
You broke it by going too fast. Well, you steered it over a bump.
But it's time for Troll Din Dins. My tummy's rumbling.
Mine too.
Can you help us? Well, I'm annoyed with you for selling me these awful cookies.
You didn't like my cookies?
Okay, maybe they are a teeny bit overdone.
I'd like my Gizbit back, please. No refunds.
How about you trade us the Gizbit for new wheels for your cart?
My troll tummy says it's a deal. Ooh, hey!
There, all set.
Well, we've learned something here today. You can't bake good cookies, Humble Bluff, but you can sure bake good wheels. Thanks. Let's go.
Bye.
Laters.
Now to buy Uli Gilhooly's favorite cookies. Here, just my way of saying thanks for your help with the silly shelf. It's your favorite cookie, Giznana Chip. Shh. That was the happiest shush I've ever heard from Uli Gilhooly. Let me show you this silly shelf.
Thank you, Mayor Garth.
Ta-da!
Ooh, this is great.
Thank you for all your help today. From now on, I'll be extra careful to make sure that no sneaky trolls are gathering information on me.
Happy to help, Mayor Garth.
Would
anyone like to volunteer to be class captain?
Yes!
It seems Maya and Tommy both want to be captain.
How will we decide between Maya and Tommy who will be our class captain?
They could have a running race.
That doesn't sound very scientific. I think you'd be a good class captain, Tommy. You should do it.
Well, I think you'd be a good class captain too.
Maya and Tommy, how about you both come up here and tell the class why you'd make a good class captain? Then we can have a vote. You can all show who your choice is for class captain with these blocks. If someone wants Tommy to be the class captain, they'll put their block here. And if someone wants Maya to be the class captain, they'll put their block here. Whoever has the most blocks will be the class captain.
Psst, Tommy, what do you think I should say to the class?
You're great at talking and you always have good ideas. Why not tell them about that?
Thanks, Tommy.
Tommy, will you go first and tell the class why you'd be a good class captain?
Yes, Miss Teach. Hear that? That's the sound of me. Tommy, stop. Listening to you.
Ooh.
I'm an excellent listener. I'm also a great rememberer. I even know the phone number for the fire brigade off by heart.
Ah!
So vote for me. I listen and remember everything.
Well done, Tommy. And next we have Maya go.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm great at talking. I'll talk for the whole meeting. Well, when I'm not eating biscuits, Mama always says that it's rude to talk with your mouth full. I also have some good ideas. We could have a lemonade stand, a bouncy castle, or maybe a lemonade stand in a bouncy castle.
Lemonade and a bouncy castle?
That's a brilliant idea. Bouncy and tasty. Genius.
Thank you, Maya and Tommy. Those were very convincing speeches. Now, it's time to place your blocks and vote.
The children all take it in turns to vote.
I'm voting for Maya.
And I'm voting for Tommy.
Ooh, this is shaping up to be a very close vote indeed. And Maya is the last to vote.
My turn.
But what's this? It looks like Maya and Tommy both have the same number of blocks.
I think I know just what to do.
Poor Tommy. He thinks Maya's sure to win with the lemonade stand.
Congratulations, Tommy Stop. You're our new class captain.
Maya voted for me?
Well done, Tommy. You helped me with my speech. That was really kind of you. So I thought you'd make a great class captain.
Thank you, Maya Go. I promise to do my best.
I know you will. And if it's not too much trouble...
Yes?
Could you bring us all some biscuits from the staff room? Maya Go, laugh and play. Maya Go, what do we say? Maya Go, class captain.